Hi, let's see how to sketch some functions, which looks quite similar, but in fact they are not the same functions. So the first one is y equals sinus of 3x, which is an horizontal stretch of scale factor of 1 over 3 of the very known function y equals sinus of x, which means the graph will look like sinus of x, of course, but with another scale factor, which is not really important for our problem today. So it will look like this. Let's see now what's the difference with the function y equals absolute value of sinus of 3x. The absolute value we know will always be positive or 0. So if we look at the first sketch here, we will do everything what is below the x-axis will go above the x-axis. So if we draw the function y equals absolute value of sinus of 3x, everything what is below will come above the x-axis, so our function will look like this. Now let's see what happens with the function y equals sinus of absolute value of 3x. Because absolute value, as I said, is a positive, it always has a positive value. This means this function will be symmetrical about the y-axis. So if we take our first graph, this here, we will draw the right side, which has always x positive, and we will draw the symmetrical of this line here, graph here, about the y-axis. So it will look like this. So, as you can see, there are quite some, at least little changes. If we go from sinus of y equals sinus of 3x to y equals absolute value of sinus of 3x, and to y equals sinus of the absolute value of 3x. Okay, have a nice day.